How to hide apps on iPhone library. Here's what you need to know. On iOS 16, you cannot hide or remove individual apps from the app library. Every installed app automatically appears there, and Apple doesn't provide an option to hide a specific app from the app library. However, you can make an app less visible by removing it from your home screen. To do that, press and hold the app icon on your home screen. Tap Remove App, then choose Remove from Home Screen. The app will disappear from your home screen, but will still be available in the app library. If you want to hide an app more securely, you can place it inside a folder on your home screen, or use screen time to restrict access to certain apps. Go to Settings on your iPhone. Tap on Screen Time. Then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Keep in mind that on iOS 16, there is no built-in setting to completely hide an installed app from the app library. And that's it. Now you know how app hiding works on iPhone and the available options on iOS 16. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.